Welcome back, everybody. It is painting number 19 of 52. We are doing a tiny painting every Tuesday in 2026, Lord willing. And each month we have a different theme that you can vote on if you so choose. And the theme that won for this month is sea creatures, sea animals, ocean animals. I'm not sure what we called it, but you get the idea. We're doing a starfish today. And I'm going to just say right up front, this was one of my more chaotic videos, okay? Because pretty much everything went wrong. And that's okay. Like I said at the end of my video, just in case you don't make it that far, if you are looking for a poised professional instructor, that is not what you're going to find here. So I'm going to just paint and I'm going to make mistakes and I'm going to leave them in and try to correct them. And I hope you have fun. This really was a fun one to do. So even with all of the mishaps. Okay, let me know if you try it. Post in the community here on YouTube if you try it, and let's jump in. All right, funny enough, I just realized, oh gosh, about an hour ago at 6 o'clock Monday night that it's Monday night. Okay, so I did the practice pieces that you saw, and now we're gonna just jump right on into what we're doing. I mean, literally all the colors are still wet from what I did before. So for the piece, for the video, I am going to use Prussian blue, which is this color. If you're looking, if you like it and want something similar, there you go. Prussian blue, and I'm not mixing it, so there's no need to, I'm just putting it in the palette here. And we're just going to go in and paint just, a nice wonky starfish. You can be as wonky or not wonky as you want. And it's okay if it goes off the page. I kind of like it when it goes off the page, like you saw in the practice pieces. And so we're going to give it kind of a rounded little edge. And I'm mimicking a little bit like on this one that I did. And I kind of liked the shape of that one the best. Sorry if you hear the lawnmower, but it's lawn mowing night. Everybody's mowing their lawns. All right, I'm just going to kind of fill it in as I go because I did notice on my practice pieces, and it might just be because we have a lot of windows open, but the paint was drying so fast. And so I'm going to just kind of do this as I go. And make it a nice chunky little guy here. You can be, again, you can do straighter little, what are they? I need to look up the terminology here. Legs, that's what I want to call them, but I don't feel like that's right. Okay, so now plenty of water on my brush, and I'm going to fill it all in because I'm going to do some wet on wet. And I'm also going to do the salt technique, which I just love so much. We've done that in some other videos. If you're curious, you can check some out. I know we just did one recently, and honestly, it is escaping my brain what it was. What did we do? Anyway, you can leave it in the comments, or if I have time during editing, I can put it up on the screen. No promises. All right, let's see here. I'm going to speed you up as I just fill in the rest of this. Decided to widen this one up just a little bit. He's looking too skinny over there. Okay, there's that. Now, to the Prussian blue, I am going to add something that makes some people mad, but I'm just going to add a little bit of black to my Prussian blue, okay? And you can see it's still a nice blue color. It's just going to be a little bit darker. And I'm just going to go around the edges because I want the edges to be darker. Personal preference, you do not, absolutely do not need to do that. You can do darker in the middle. You don't have to do anything darker if you don't want. All right, you get the drift. Part of me just feels like I don't have a lot to say today because I can't believe that I just kind of went through today not thinking about painting at all. You know why? Because I went flower shopping. Okay, because I want to get a bunch of flowers going. All right, back to focusing. Focus. Just outlining with a little tap, tap, tap here. There's so many fun options to doing this starfish. Oh, a little bit. All right, so while this is still wet, I mean, it might seem like I'm in a hurry because I am. Two reasons. I'm running out of daylight, which is my window is right there, and I rely on that for my lighting. I could use something else. Okay, I gotta stop talking. Salt. And we're gonna just put, I don't know, I don't need all that probably, but maybe just like that much salt. You can add more or less. And we're just gonna sprinkle it all over our starfish because it just looks so good. I need to add some more. So I just grabbed another pinch. Just kind of cover them up. Because really, it can look, you can leave it right like that on some of them because you know, like you don't need to add the white or anything because the salt just has such a cool effect on it. So I'm actually adding a ton. Do you see that? Because I just want to see what happens. It's all about experimenting. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, let's see what happens. We're going to let this dry for 2 minutes, and then I will help it dry with my heat gun after that. Be right back. Okay, so we are back, and hopefully this is all dry. I'm going to take my handy dandy Walmart gift card and just scrape off our salt. See what we got. See what we're left with. Ooh, this is exactly what I was hoping for. You know why? Because we can leave it if we want. We could do where we add the white dots with the pen as well. But I love this look. Okay, let me clean this up and let me just think for a second if I want to add. I definitely want to add a background. And then we'll see what else I'm going to do here. Oh, you need to leave in the comments what you would do. I am so torn right now because I want to leave it except add a background. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? Because look what I have in my hand, ready to go. Ready to go. But I'm going to put a background in first and then see if I'm okay leaving it because I'm tempted to add more. Hold on. Okay, for the water, I am going to use a color called Fresh Blue. This is what Fresh Blue looks like. And I'm going to add a little green to it. So what am I going to add to it? Let's try some, I'm going to add some tree green to my Fresh Blue. And I'm just going to do it a little at a time just because I want to see what we've got here. And I like to do this where I set it next to the painting so I can see what those colors will look like together. And I like it. I like it. I'm going to add some water to it because I want it to be a nice light background. Okay, so we're going to paint the background in. I will start it here at regular speed and then speed you through it because it's just painting a background. I need to look at something that Valerie, who's somebody that paints with us, I'm friends with her on here and on Instagram, and she did a water technique on the crab painting over on Instagram. I'm going to link her so you can go check it out. And she learned this water technique from another artist that I need to look at it because I don't know what she did. I don't know how she did it. It was just the coolest thing though. Okay, I'll stop talking and speed you through this now. Okay, I'm back. Oh gosh, you guys, I'm so torn. I think it looks so cool. Um, I still have this in my hand and I'm so tempted. So tempted. I've decided I'm leaving the starfish alone. I love the texture of him. And instead, I'm going to just kind of mess with the background. My paper has buckled quite a bit here. Okay, so right now I'm going to get just a little bit more of the background color with quite a bit of water. And I'm just going over the whole thing again, somewhat evenly. And I want it to have plenty of water because I'm going to do some wet on wet. In fact, I'm going to work section. I was going to say, I'm going to work section by section, but I think I'll work like top and bottom here because that just makes more sense to me. All right, so this is wet. You see that? All right, I just did this. It's wet. And then I'm coming into kind of like my starfish color mixture, and I'm just going to dot in some darker colors here. All right, and it's just going to ideally blend. I mean, that's the goal here. Since our background is wet here at the top, adding some dark color is just going to add some interest into our water as well. Again, look at Valerie's because hers is just so cool. Mine is just very much like, I'm just going to try this. I kind of like what it's doing. It's not doing exactly what I want it to do. In fact, I don't think I have enough water on my brush for that background color, but that's okay. We're just going to keep going and just dotting in the darker color. Okay, I like it. I like it. And I keep putting my fingers in this up here, so it's okay. So now, cleaning my brush off, going into the background color on my palette. I'm still just using this, okay? Background color, but plenty of water because I really want when I'm dabbing in the darker color, I really want it to blend and kind of, not really blend, I want it to bleed, you know, I want it to spread. And so we can't be having it dry so quickly like it is doing on me. That's all right. We're just going with it, you know? You know that I think I've always, unless I was really scared in the beginning, I don't know. My goal is to leave mistakes in and show you how, even when I don't like what I've done, I'm just going to work with it here. All right, so we're going to go like this. It looks like I'm speeding up, but I'm not. I'm just going super fast because I'm not trying, oops, I'm going too fast, I think, because I'm not trying to do any sort of, you know what I'm saying, symmetry or anything like that. Ooh, there we go. That's doing it. I think the trick there was that my darker color was too dry, maybe. I just added some water to that, and that's doing a nice little job there. So we'll put some more of that up here too. Okay. And I let that dry too much, and so then I messed that up too. Oh, I'm so sad right now. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to paint it all in. Yes, I am. Because it looks horrible. And I don't have time for that, but that's what I'm doing anyway. All right. And now we're going to come in here and we'll dab some in here. Oh, would you believe it? My video just stopped because I ran out of space on my phone, like while my paint. Oh, you guys, this is my life right now. While my paint was wet, I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. Leaving it, I could redo the whole thing. I could just post tomorrow and say, guess what, everybody? I messed up everything, and so I'm redoing, but I'm leaving it because this is just how things go sometimes. It just is. So I'm just going to keep messing with the background. I'm just going to kind of fill it in because I don't know what's dry and what's wet anymore. Oh, wasn't that fun? Welcome to my world. The funny thing is, like, this looks so dark on screen, but it's really not in real life. The sun is setting and kind of, oh goodness. The sun is setting and kind of, making the light do funny things. I'm not a really good lighting person, so I really count on the daylight, but here we are. It's okay. Life is a little crazy right now. All right, what do we think? I think we're leaving it. It's water, right? It's water, Carrie. Just leave it. It doesn't have to look a certain way. We don't know what's happening in the water, right? I am tempted to let this dry and then do a little outline of it, but I also like here, like do a black outline, but I also just kind of like it as is. Okay, I'm gonna dry this so I can sign it. All right, I can't help myself. I'm gonna do an outline in white. You didn't see that one coming though, did you? You thought I was gonna do black. But since I messed up so much in the water, I just think we need a little bit of pop of light color because now I feel like the starfish and the background are just too similar in value. So I'm just gonna outline this in white, help it stand out a little bit more, and hopefully call it good and go to bed because now, you know what? I actually really like how that looks. It also makes me want to put white in here, but I'm not going to. No, I am not. I also kind of want to sign in white, but then I feel like that's going to stand out a little too much. So we're just going to sign it down here in black. And we're going to call it a day, okay? Because that was something else. This is painting 19 of 52. I am not going to forget next week that it is Monday night. And in fact, hopefully I do it next weekend instead of the night before. All right, not my favorite. Although, honestly, given all things that have happened, I quite like this. So let me know if you give it a try. I hope that you will post in the community if you do give it a try. Just play with it, have fun. Don't be in a hurry like I was because, listen, if you want a professional instructor, I can recommend lots of people. I am not that girl. So we're just having fun. Hopefully, you're having fun and not completely annoyed at this point. I'm going to try to stop talking now and go to bed. Okay. See you next time if you don't leave me. Okay, bye.